Hi everyone, and welcome to Paper Pumpkin Week here on Creative Chelsey. Thanks so much for joining me today as I continue to share some beautiful card ideas you can make with the January 2025 Paper Pumpkin Kit called Hearts for You. Here is a quick peek at the original cards from the kit. If you'd like to watch me unbox the kit and create these cards or see any of my other alternatives, you can click on the playlist in the top right corner. This is the third alternative card I'll be sharing with you this week. I love the scattered look on this card. By using splatters and different sizes of hearts in both stamping, foil, and paper, I created a whimsical feeling with a touch of elegance. If you are new to my channel and would like to continue to see all of my paper pumpkin alternatives, make sure to subscribe using the link in the bottom right corner. I would love to be your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. If you're interested in getting your own paper pumpkin subscription, please use the link in the description below to subscribe. My subscribers receive an exclusive card kit designed by me with everything they need to make 2 more beautiful cards with the stamp set and ink spot from that month's kit. We gather together once a month on Zoom to make the card and have fun together. I would love to have you join me. Make sure to subscribe to Paper Pumpkin and list me as your demonstrator or use the link below. To begin this card, we're going to take the half of the real red card base that we cut from alternative number 1, and we're going to trim it down just a little bit, just 1/8 of an inch. So go to 4 1/8, and then rotate and go to 5 3/8. And you can throw away these little pieces. And then the next thing we need to do so that it has time to dry is our splatter marks. And to do this, you need to have a little bit of water in a cup and a paintbrush, or the water painters is fine. And then you're going to take a little bit of white ink, and I'm using the Whisper White Refill ink. If you also have this craft ink in an ink pad, you could just tap your clear block on that ink pad. And you're going to mix a little bit of water with that craft ink. You don't want to add too much water because you do need it to be nice and thick so that it shows up on the dark cardstock. And I've got my little splatter box here. And you're going to take it and flick the splatter. Now you may need to use your finger if you can't get some really good splatters. There we go. I want a little bigger one, so I'm going to get a little more water, mix that up, see if that will give me some bigger splatters. There we go. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can see those, but now I need to let this dry. And you could dry it with a heat tool, a blow dryer if you don't have a heat tool, or just put it off to this side, and we'll do the other things and we'll come back to it once it's all dry. So while that's drying, let's go ahead and stamp our greeting. I'm going to use You're My Favorite in real red on one of the labels from the kit. Make sure it goes right in the center, even pressure all the way across, and it'll look something like this. If you do have an issue, they do include an extra one, or you can always just flip it over. It won't have the gold edging, but that's okay. You're also going to need the gold laser cut die cut, and we're going to add some dimensionals to the back. You're going to want to place these behind the solid hearts. So wherever you can kind of tuck a dimensional and hide it there, it works. Let's flip this one around. It's a little skinnier on that side. You could also use mini dimensionals. You could cut some in half. I'm using the edge so that they're already kind of a smaller size. There's one. Get at least 3 in there, which is what I have. If you want to do more, you can. I'm also going to do dimensionals to the back of my greeting, and we're going to put them on the sides. Okay, so don't put any in the middle. That's going to go on the gold foil, so just need them on the sides. Then we're going to grab this piece from the kit, and it has some white small hearts. Go ahead and pop those out, and we're going to put a dimensional on one of them. The other two we'll put glue dots on or use liquid glue. Let's see if I can get this to fit. Maybe use my Take a Pick tool to hold it in place. Okay, so one with dimensionals, and then the others with glue dots. Just pop those right onto this glue dot strip, then I won't lose them. And then we are using some of the foil heart stickers. I've got this one with the embossing, and then I also have a small one. So those are all ready to go. Put those off to the side. Let's check on our card base. Still looks a little damp, so I'm going to go ahead and heat it up with a heat tool, and then I'll be back. All right, so that's all done, and now we're going to do some stamping. So you're going to take your solid heart from the stamp set, ink it up in that real red ink, and then go ahead and stamp it just randomly. Let's go ahead and do another one right about here. Maybe one here. Maybe we could do one right here over just a little bit. Okay, so really anywhere you want, go ahead and place some onto your background. So I have a card base here of thick basic white cardstock. Let's flip this over carefully and add adhesive to the back. And it should have a very small border all the way around. So just keep that in mind when you're applying it. And I am going to open it up, smooth it out on the inside, just so I don't accidentally smear any of the splatters. Okay, so that looks good. Then we're going to go ahead and add those stickers. So we're going to begin with that embossed heart, and we can put it up here in the top right area. And we'll add the small white heart that is on a dimensional. Then let's add our gold foil laser cut heart. I love this one. I wish they gave us more of this because it's so pretty. Put that in the bottom left corner. Then we can add our greeting. If you want to put some adhesive here in the center, you can, or you can just kind of eyeball it. You can put it all the way up to the edge. So something like that. Let's grab one of the small stickers. So this sticker, actually, I'm going to place a small little dimensional underneath on the bottom, and that's going to keep the bottom from sticking to my card so that it's all on one layer. And then the top will leave sticky. So just a little dimensional at the bottom corner. And then add that over your greeting, just like that. Then we have these two little hearts that are on our glue dots. You can place one, tuck it underneath that gold foil piece. And then the last one I'm going to place on my gold foil piece and place it over one of the solid hearts. Just like that. And your card's all done. Really quick, simple, a fun technique with that white craft splattering, and then just so many textures and layers of hearts. I just love that one. Well, thank you so much for watching me create this beautiful card today. If you're interested in getting your own paper pumpkin subscription, please do so using the link in the description box below. If you would like to see written instructions or close-up images on how I created this card, you can visit my blog, creativechelsey.com. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.